Mastering cold calls is perhaps the most important sales art, and it starts with getting prospects to pick up when you dial. Before you can deliver your pitch, you need a live person on the line, and any outbound rep knows that's easier said than done. With carrier spam labels becoming more aggressive and buyers becoming more skeptical of unknown numbers, you're probably getting pretty used to hearing voicemail tones. But there are ways you can encourage prospects to answer instead of hitting that decline button, and we'll talk about those tips right now. Tip number 1 is using a local presence. When you're calling buyers in a certain geographic region, you want your area code to match their local one. This makes your number feel more familiar and implies you're someone they might know, or a business they've already interacted with, increasing the chances they'll pick up your call. Alaware's local presence lets you dynamically match your area code to your prospects, so you'll have no trouble implementing this tip into your workflow. Tip number 2 is establishing your identity. Consumers will do anything to avoid the discomfort of talking to a scammer. This makes many people put their guard up anytime they see a new phone number. One way to disarm them is by using branded calling or displaying your business name with your phone number. For example, when we call Aloware prospects, they see our company name appear as their phone rings, so they know we're legit. Branded caller ID can put buyers' doubts to rest about your purpose and your intent for calling. Tip number 3 is double dialing. When prospects decline your first call, try calling them back right away. This builds a sense of urgency and may prompt them to pick up the second time. The more important they think your call is, the likelier they are to answer. Alaware's Power Dialer provides a callback shortcut button that helps you quickly do this with any call, along with instant voicemail drop. Tip number 4 is sending a pre-call text. If you're struggling to reach prospects, you might want to send them a text before you dial them again. Not only does this make you seem more human, but it gives prospects another option to engage. Whether they answer your next call or simply text you back, you've started a conversation. Aloware lets you easily text any prospect and even integrates with your CRM so you can view all texting history there. Tip number 5 is sending a post-call text. Next time someone declines your call, try sending an immediate follow-up text. This makes your message appear on their screen, so it's pretty tough to ignore. You can easily send follow-up text in Aloware and even launch compliant broadcast campaigns for multiple prospects. So there you have it. We've just covered 5 quick tips to increase your cold call answer rates and how Aloware can help. Try us free today and start making more successful sales connections.